Hello everyone, welcome to part 47 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners. So we are going to finally place the order in our React app. We are going to place the COD order. Our validation is also ready, delivery form is also ready. So the user is just required to fill his delivery address and can click on place order button to place the order whatever he selected in his card. Okay, so now we are going to work on this checkout component. Okay, in the last video we have added this validation, so if all the validations are fine, then we can finally place the order. Okay, so one more else condition we are going to add, in which we are going to finally place the order. Here I'm going to mark it like the place the order. Okay, so here we will take one variable let item, in which we are going to add all the fields that we want to add. Okay, name, address, uh, city, state, country, pin code, and mobile. Okay, so now we can check it as well in console.1. We can check like all the variables, all the values of the variables are coming here or not. Okay, if the fields are coming, then we can move further. Okay, so uh, we are going to call the API as well. Okay, I'm going to call the API here, but first of all let's see the values are coming or not. Return false. I'm going to check here. Okay, so I will open the inspect here. Okay, just to verify that all the values are coming. So I'm going to do it like this. Click on place order, and here you can see the values are coming here. Name is Amit Gupta, address 123A, city Ludhiana, state Punjab, country India. So all the values are coming here. Okay, you can see here as well. Mobile is also coming, so all the values are coming. So the console one is showing us all the values, so we can move further. So now we are going to call the API, and here we are going to call it let result. We are going to use the await fetch. Okay, await with fetch, fetch. Okay, so here we are going to call the API. What is our API? We're going to check in Postman that we have tested few videos back. So I'm going to paste this API here. Okay, so here we will not send the user ID statically, we will pass it dynamically. Okay, plus the user ID that we are getting, user ID like this. Okay, so I'm going to add comma, and we're going to add it like this. So here method is the post method. We're going to use the post method here, and headers we're going to add here the headers, content type, application JSON, then body JSON, stringify. Here we're going to pass this item that we have earlier created. Okay, so finally we are going to put the result in here result variable await result we will get in JSON, result dot JSON. Okay, finally we are going to use the console one once again just to test what is coming in response. Okay, result we are going to check this one like this. Okay, so we are going to test it. And one more thing we can use here, like if result is fine. Okay, like we are going to check it from the response as well. Like if the response is coming fine, then it's okay. Like if the result name, okay, I'm going to open the code here, API controller. I'm going to see that what is coming exactly in response. Okay, place order. So what is coming in response? Okay, so we're going to check the response here. Order specially placed. Okay, so this one is coming in response, and also we have added the validation here as well. So I'm going to check it with this one, like this must not come, name is required. If in case if it is equal to name is required, so it means the validation fail, and we're going to show this result name here. Otherwise we are going to navigate the user to the thanks page that we are going to create later on. Okay. We are going to navigate the user to the thanks page. Okay, I have just disabled it because right now we don't have any thanks page so far, but we can simply alert here right now order this one, the same thing we can do it here as well, like order successfully placed. Okay, so that we will come to know that the order has been successfully placed. Okay, like this. So now we can place the order and test like whether the order will come up or not. Okay, so without doing anything, I'm going to click on place order and think that the order will place. Otherwise we are going to refresh and we'll try it once again. And here you can see the last id this time is 55 and the new id must come as 56. So let's see. I'm going to click on place order and let's hope the order will get placed. Okay, so let's see order successfully placed. You can see the order successfully placed is coming in alert here as well. It is coming order successfully placed, and I'm going to refresh here now order section in admin panel and see the new order has come up. 56th order has come up. Okay, so I'm going to check its details as well, and all the details are coming here. The order has come up with the two of the items. Okay, so everything seems to be perfect here with the 2700 item. For one of the item is 2700 and another item is 810. So the total amount is 3610 including 100 rupee shipping charges. So everything seems to be perfect. We able to place the COD order. Okay, and from our React app. So it seems to be perfect. And in the next video, uh, once the order will get placed, we are going to show the thanks page to the user. Okay, we can also show the order id as well as the amount, or we can simply show the wording. Okay, with the thanks page on the thanks page. After that we will work on the my orders, like the user can able to see his order as well. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.